Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Peter's honey fig. It's a well-known fig up here in the Pacific Northwest. I see it at a lot of nurseries. It generally ripens pretty early, and this one just snapped off. So it's the one we're gonna cut open and check out. Peter's honey is obviously a honey fig. So it's gonna have basically a more clear interior to it. The pulp will generally be lighter colored and milder, but still very sweet tasting. We've had a lot of honey figs this summer. We've had Izbat. We've had LSU Gold. And I like them. I mean, they're very sweet. They don't have as much character as some of the figs with a darker flesh, but they taste great. You know, who's going to ever complain about the taste of a fig? Here's the one that just fell off a few minutes ago. And one way that you know a fig is ripe is when you pull it, you won't see any sap coming out of the stem, the piece where it attaches to the branch. So let's go ahead and take a look. And as always, I have my trusty steak knife here to cut the fig of the day open, and it looks good. Yeah, and Peter's honey looks almost identical to Izbat. It's very circular. Its ripening time is almost identical. And you know, the level of ripening on this one is just like the Izbat. I harvested a couple days ago, where you can see that the ripe pulp in the middle hasn't worked its way all the way out to the edges. You can kind of see that line here, and that line indicates where it would be completely ripe if I were to allow this to ripen, and if it were able to ripen in the cool weather we have here in the fall. Okay, let's go ahead and take a taste here. And that's wonderful. Just another great fig. This is Peter's honey fig. It's another great honey fig that ripens in mid-season for us, and it tastes great.